A lawyer is a practitioner who is qualified to provide legal advice or to represent someone in court. An attorney, a solicitor, a counselor, a barrister, an ambulance chaser are all terms used to describe a lawyer. Of course, a lawyer is someone who practices law. In this video, we will tell you more about becoming a lawyer. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below to get a notification on our next video. Being a lawyer entails putting abstract legal theories and knowledge into practice to solve specific individualized problems. Across legal jurisdictions, the role of the lawyer varies substantially. There are different reasons one can become a lawyer. In a civil or criminal trial, lawyers represent clients and present evidence in their defense. They also advise their clients on their legal rights and obligations and the best course of action for their particular legal situation. Furthermore, a lawyer is qualified to analyze laws, rules, and judgments and performs legal study. Wills, deeds, contracts, litigation, and appeals are among the legal papers they prepare. They may also be in charge of paralegals or legal assistants. In addition, a lawyer might specialize in a variety of areas within the legal profession. For example, they may opt to specialize in a particular area of law, such as criminal law, defense, prosecution, tax, or environmental law. Furthermore, a lawyer provides legal advice to individuals, government entities, corporations, and necessary representation. They draft legal papers as well as interpret laws, regulations, and court decisions. Lawyers spend much of their time indoors in office buildings, but they may need to travel to meet with clients or attend court sessions. In 2020, the median salary for lawyers was $122,960. The top 25% earn $186,350, while the lowest 25% earned $80,950. Professionals say that entering the legal profession is a challenging task and that deciding to become a lawyer should not be taken lightly. Obtaining a license to practice law in the United States typically takes years of hard work. However, to become a lawyer, firstly, you must learn about legal jobs and careers. Therefore, attorneys advise anyone considering a career as a lawyer to research the legal sector to see if they would enjoy life as a lawyer. One helpful resource is the Law School Admission Council's Discover Law portal, which contains a wealth of material about what it's like to be a lawyer and the contributions a lawyer may make to society. Secondly, develop a strong work ethic and improve communication and reasoning skills. Finally, once a person has decided that the legal profession is a suitable fit for them, they should begin looking for academic and extracurricular opportunities to help them become better lawyers. According to law school professors, aspiring lawyers should take many reading and writing programs to improve their reading and writing skills, which are essential for most legal employment. Then, decide whether you want to go to law school or work as a legal apprentice. Though most jurisdictions require licensed attorneys to have a law degree, some states, such as California and Vermont, allow people to become lawyers without going to law school, provided they work and train under the supervision of a practicing attorney for several years. This is referred to as reading the law. Note, only 7 states allow someone to practice law without a law degree. Wyoming, New York, and Maine require some formal legal education, although none require a JD. Also, choose a college major that interests you and excel in it. Because law schools do not need specific undergraduate coursework, aspiring attorneys have the freedom to study whatever college courses they like. Next, you need to study hard for either LSAT or GRE and achieve a solid score. The LSAT, or Law School Admission Test, is the typical law school entrance exam, and most prospective law students take it to qualify for law school. However, several law schools have lately begun permitting candidates to submit a GRE score instead of an LSAT score so prospective law students can take the Graduate Record Examination's general test, obtain a law degree by enrolling in a good law school. Some law schools are highly selective, so applicants should keep this in mind when applying for admissions officers for the JD. JD program will look at a candidate's GPA and test scores, as well as their statement and resume. In addition, JD students should choose a law school carefully because their decision will affect their future. A future lawyer should attend a law school that has a track record of preparing students for the type of career they want. Lastly, obtain admission to the bar in the jurisdiction where you intend to practice. An aspiring attorney must pass the bar test in the jurisdiction to practice law in the United States. On the other hand, Wisconsin exempts local graduates of American Bar Association approved Wisconsin law schools from taking the bar exam and automatically accepts them to practice. However, becoming a lawyer typically takes 7 years, including 4 years of undergraduate studies and 3 years of law school. On the other hand, many others opt to work in the legal profession before enrolling in law school to boost their application. Furthermore, for a graduate of one of the top 20 law schools in the U.S., the average cost of law school is $136,707 plus $76,000 for their undergraduate degree, for a total of $212,707. Then for the next 20 law schools in the U.S., the average cost of law school is $114,924 plus $76,000 for their undergraduate degrees, for a total of $190,924. Thus, to be a lawyer, you need to obtain a bachelor's degree, a Juris Doctor degree, and lastly, attend law school. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please share your opinions in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.